Hey there, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered why we're investing so much in space exploration? Let's break it down in a cosmic minute. Scientific discovery. Exploring the universe helps us unlock mysteries about distant planets, stars, and galaxies, advancing physics and astronomy. Tech innovation. Challenges in space drive cool inventions. Think GPS, medical imaging, and more. Inspiration and education. Teamwork. International collaborations like the ISS promote global cooperation. Resources. Studying celestial bodies could lead to vital minerals and water for future space missions. Planetary defense. Monitoring asteroids. Yep, we're on it to protect Earth. Climate and Earth observation. Earth's watchdogs. Satellites help track climate, disasters, and changes back home. Survival strategy. Colonizing other planets might save us from big Earth threats. So, there you have it, a universe of reasons for space spending. Stay curious. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.